Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility. So far in applied accessibility, we learned about HTML and how to make that more accessible and semantics, such as using the alt tag for images, such as using correct headings, such as using different tags like the main, the section, articles, navs, and all those things to make it more semantic and more accessible. And now we're going to talk about the CSS. So what CSS can do is that if you want to hide content meant for only screen readers, we can use, when we have like a chart, the screen readers users need alternative presentations like a table to access this data. So we can use this rule for screen readers only to help supplement and make this content more accessible for those people who use screen readers. So for this exercise, we want to adjust the screen reader only class. So we want to give a position absolute. So we see it here, position absolute, left of negative 10,000 pixels, width of 1 pixel, and that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.